How clean do you think your air ducts are? Your air ducts are constantly contaminating the air you are breathing with dust, pollen, mold spores, animal dander, viruses, bacteria, odors. Isn't it time you get it cleaned by a professional before it gets you and your family sick? We are a leading, reputable company providing first-class duct cleaning service. We have an expert team of experienced professionals who are efficient and always on time to provide the safest and reliable duct cleaning for your home. Stop waiting. Contact us today and let our cleaning experts get the job done right.